Guys, good afternoon. Ganyan yung aming pusa dito na si Kit Kat. Laging nasa laundry basket. Ayan. Ang galing-galing talaga ng Kit Kat na yan. You want always there?
He's been here all afternoon.
Ooh.
Haven't you, baby? Yes, you have.
That's your basket? It's not yours. Oh, you are there. Oh, you are there. Look, mommy. Kitty. Look, mommy. Ang kulit mo talaga, Kit Kat. Kahit kailan. Paluin kita eh. Gusto mong palo?
It says, oh, that feel good.